Hey everyone! How is it going? Welcome back to our channel, where I am all about making healthy life habit and delicious recipes that are easy to make and fun to eat. Today, I am gonna taking a super versatile and healthy vegetable that you might not have thought of before and turning it into something absolutely amazing. I am talking about cauliflower. This little cruciferous vegetable is packed with nutrients, low in calories, and so versatile that you can make just about anything out of it. From cauliflower rice to cauliflower pizza crust, the options are endless. Today, I am going to show you how to make a dish that is not only delicious but also a perfect way to enjoy cauliflower in a new way. We're making air fryer cauliflower. This recipe is super easy to make, and the result is a crispy and flavorful cauliflower that you'll love. Ingredients: 1 medium cauliflower, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of cornmeal, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Instructions: cut the green part of the cauliflower and separate it into florets. Wash the florets well. In a mixing bowl, combine the egg, yogurt, cornmeal, red chili powder, black pepper, salt, and turmeric. Mix well. Dip each cauliflower floret in the mixture, ensuring that it is well coated. Place the coated florets in the air fryer chamber. Cook for 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius in manual setting. Once done, remove from the air fryer and serve with yogurt and garlic if desired. Enjoy! Isn't it look amazing? And the best thing is that you can enjoy this crispy and tasty cauliflower guilt-free because it's healthy and nutritious. So go ahead and give this recipe a try, and don't be afraid to get creative with your cauliflower. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we have a new recipe for you. And remember, eat healthy, feel great.